My name's Avery Martin. I live here in Central Oregon in Redmond, and I finished the Hard Hat in Hand program with COCC and Fortis out of the Facebook data center site. I worked in restaurants for a lot of years, and it was time for something else. And I got into working for COCC to try and mitigate some of the expenses with school there and to explore some paths for things that I was interested in. And in the process of that, I'm starting a family. I have a 9-year-old stepdaughter and another daughter on the way. And the more that I was looking into things, the more I realized that it wasn't a great time in my life to be working full time, going to school full time, and building that student loan debt for the payoff down the road when I got a kid on the way now and another one in the house. And I started looking into the electrical apprenticeship. Been interested in the science of how that works. Electricity is a really interesting thing for me, to say the least. And I ended up finding out about the Hard Hat in Hand program at COCC and realized, just because I've liked working with my hands for a long time, that the trade would be a good way for me to go and a way to kind of earn while I learn, right? I got back into education, looking to provide, and I found a way to do it that resonates with me. And I'm really thankful for that. Right now, I'm waiting on the interview date for the electrical apprenticeship with Local 280 here in Central Oregon. Should be coming up here sometime in the next couple of months. I'm getting some letters of recommendation from the contacts I made through the program and on the site working since. So I'm feeling good about it. But my goal right now is to finish the apprenticeship and then from there take the credits I earned with it to finish an associate's in electrical engineering. Hopefully longer down the road to go on and take that to a bachelor's and maybe get into the building informational modeling later on in my career. It gives me an opportunity to learn more of the science along with the practice, right? I think, at least in my high school, we didn't have a lot of information about how to get into vocational work going on, right? It's just kind of banging the drum of like, we go to college and that's the work that we're looking for now, but that doesn't resonate with everybody, right? Some people are better off working with their hands than they are doing that academic, and it's a good way to make money, but it's just a road that's not really paved in the system right now. And I think it's important to have those opportunities so people can find, their place, like their niche in the workforce and what they want to do, what they love to do, and what provides for their families. Community college is huge right now. It gives people an opportunity to kind of explore what they want to do, right, without making larger investments when they might not know yet what path they want to take. It gives people that opportunity to find something new or find a path that they might not have known was open to them before that they can use to provide for their family and make a better future for their kids, right? And I think that that's hugely important in this day and age to have that ability. And especially here in Central Oregon, we have something local that gives us an opportunity to find these things and better our lives and better the community.